Semi-final, Ginoogaming Icehawks versus Lake Ball team.
Which team are you on? Oh, good luck.
You're in the middle of a squall here. Watch out.
But I think it's I got that video on YouTube now.
Yeah.
There they go already. Attacking heavy on the Lake Ball. Shot. In the stands. It's a nice day out here in Fort William First Nation. Penalty. I think it's a penalty.
No, just these guys.
Interference.
The little guys got tipped.
Royce.
All the little teams.
First power play goes to Team Slate Balls.
Yeah, they did. They're out. Okay, my son already has to play. Last year they took
Another player there filling us penalty pretty efficiently. That's a mad rush though. Just a little outside. On this pass, they can't get this power play going today. There he is. Battling hard in the corner. Oh, he snuffled that one. Yeah, he's crazy. There's the dirtiest glass in Fort William First Nation. There's a fast rush. This guy's got some speed on him. See if it'll make him. Oh, they hope check him to the corner. Icing. It seems both teams are trying to recoup from last night. Heard there was big parties in Victoria Inn. Don't even exist anymore. It looks like Slate Falls is getting under Ice Hawk's skin already. I heard that guy slip with his voice. Another power play for Slate Falls.
Bring me your extra sticks.
Get out. Oh, there we go. Break back in. That's pretty crazy how they're playing the transition game good for Team Slate Falls today. Oh, baby. Lock shot. Get in there. The Ginoogaming Ice Hawks have seemed to settle into their defensive game. Oh, baby. That was a priority chance, but broken up by Team Slate Falls. Here they go. Their sweaters are green as ever. I think that's an homage to the late Minnesota North Stars jerseys. Just like the Minnesota North Stars are playing Capitals right now. Shot. Oh, block. Shot. A little bit outside. Oh, baby, we got some action today. Here's Sunday hockey. Fort William First Nation. Goodwill Hockey Tournament. There it is. They break through. Oh, it's a little bit of a dangle. There they go. A slash. And we got a penalty coming up to the Minnesota North Stars. I mean, Team Slate Falls. It's getting a little feisty in this game. Here's the first power play for the Ice Hawks. Stop. On goal, a good stop by the goaltender. That netminder against St. Paul. keeping it to the outside. Lake Falls is really putting on a defensive show here for this first power play. There's a goal! Maybe a little miscommunication on that one. There they go. Oh, look at that. I'm the only excited one in the rink. Oh, he muscled from off the puck. There they go. That's a good defensive play by the Ice Hawks. Oh my goodness, they're getting rowdy in the corner. Holy shit, we got it all on tape, baby. We're going back to the cameras. They're getting dirty in Slate Falls. That's their motto. I hear someone speaking Ojibwe over there. That means angry. He's very angry. Me no scat is it. They're correcting me. Oh, look at that. Are they taking two? Yes, they are. I don't know. Let's hurry this up, guys. Don't have a lot of space on my SD card. Supposed to be professional. Goodness. I hope we got some, I hope we didn't catch the audio on that one. Something about the bachata. And we gotta edit that one up too. These guys are getting rowdy again. Oh, they did lost the puck for a couple seconds. I don't know where it went. A good stop by the netminder. Yeah, no, that netminder is deadly. Oh. Chances are happening left and right for both teams. They kept it in, there they go. Pins them against the board. This is a rowdy game, boy. We always looking into the dirtiest glass in Fort Wayne First Nation. Yeah, I don't know know if someone's been taken to the box here, but apparently so. It looks like half a Team Slate Falls team is in the penalty box. Let's go take a closer look. Look at that. Yeah, another penalty. Undisciplined penalties. Gives a good chance for Ice Hawks to get a notch up on this game.
Walking home 2 hours ago.
I forgot my back brace. Just sore my back there.
What was that? Yesterday Highland. That slash.
There they go. They're coming. That just missed. Oh, there they go. That little flip help me. Flip of the camera plays in my favor. There it is. One in the market. I let it ring. Oh, baby. That's a good stop by the netman. Oh, it's off the half of the football player. They are getting in the zone, but they cannot get anything to the net. Slate Falls has built a cube around the net. There's nothing getting towards the goalkeeper. There they go. 98. Oh, that guy almost ducked his head right in the board. There they go again. Good sticks for Slate Falls. Out of play, baby. Take a look at the benches here. Same people from last night. As for Slate Falls, half their team showed up 10 minutes before the game. Offside! Pretty defensive hockey right now, and it's a 0-0 score after one. Oh baby, this one's a tight one.
The other guy that was playing for us, the Brandon. You know Brandon Stanley?
Yeah.
Laxel? Yeah, he was supposed to play.
We're getting updates. Brandon Stanley broke his ankle. That's why he's not in the game today.
Got an edge, the crack on the ice.
And here's our co-commentator, Roseanne. She flew in from Finland.
All sudden.
Oh, son. Okay, back to the game. Oh my goodness. That ref doesn't want to drop the puck. Oh, there we go. Win the face-off. Don Cherry used to say that is the biggest face-off you got to win in the beginning of the period. Oh, we got a penalty on the Ice Hawks. Penalty for talking too much. Are they going to try to pin one out of play? Out of play, baby. Oh, that was a quick face off. Out of the zone. Here we go, number 89. Oh my goodness, he's got strength on his skates. What he got? Out muscled by that deal. Ice pop. There it is. Tipping it in. Oh, baby. Shot. They stopped it. We had some people thinking they scored, but not today, baby. This is playoff hockey. Fort William First Nation Arena. Goodwill Hockey Tournament. All native hockey tournament. Well, half native too. A lot of them look half native. They get it deep. There they go. Up pass in front of that. No chance. This defensive play is getting outrageous, especially for their teams. Select, Slate Falls Select. Our team Slate Falls. Oh! Yeah! There they go! Strike first! Team Slate Falls! They break the goose egg. Let's see if that'll play into their favor and get more momentum. Momentum. Go, baby! aggression. Little more aggression, a little more steam. Here come the Capitals. Shot! Oh, baby, that goaltender is hard to solve. They'll have to get someone in front of him. That's a good stop from that Ice Hawks goaltender. Corbin Rubin or something. There they go, coming with numbers. Oh, what happened there? They're falling all over here.
Gotta go work it in.
Oh, deadly. They keep it in the zone, not for long. Here comes the select player. Slate ball player. There they go, 2-on-2. This is an even match. Who will cave in? Who will give first? That's what the question is. That is what the real question is. Who will cave in first? A 2-goal lead might be insurmountable. Oh, baby. Back to men's league we're playing. The score is 1-0 right now. Look at that. 7:58 to go in the second period. Back to the point. They're straddling line. A shot. Oh, did not get through. They're trying to hem them in. It's crooked. On that, a good tip. Oh, wide. He's got it. Oh, baby. They had an Ovechkin at the on the blue line. I'd like to thank you for watching this game from Boozhoo Productions. I am the manager, the cameraman, the editor, the spokesperson, the marketing agent. Everything all wrapped into one. There they go. Two on one. They jump on it. He covers that one up. That is a good stop by that netminder. He's very underrated this tournament. He had 7 goals against all tournament. That is pretty good for a netminder. Slate Falls tender had 9 goals against all tournament. Guys, but I'm getting hungry. There's another one swallowed up by his glove.
They're nervous.
I don't know who that guy's talking. They're there. Someone's nervous. They keep it in deep. Oh, good hustle. A good hustle. Slate Falls starting to turn up the heat here. They're starting to play an offensive game with a lot of pressure. Pressure cooker. There it is. Shot. There it is. Shot. Touchdown in there. Nice hop. That put one by the tender. Oh, baby. I know he's dangerous. Oh, baby. Someone's getting nervous. There they go. It's a new game, 1-1. Midway point of the second period. We're at the halfway point of the game here. There's a souvenir for the fan. Nope, they're asking them to throw that puck back, and they did. Get that shit out of here.
That's what I got to eat my own 9 o'clock games for like a couple of hours.
They got stragglers again. Here comes Team Slate Falls, trying to answer back for that last goal from the Ice Hawks. Oh, getting loud and rowdy. Oh, that puck is bouncy. There it is. They got a right winger. A little fire for him. Is that Royce? Yes, that is, I think. good stop from the Team Slate Balls netminder. I'm trying to think of an old goaltender from the Minnesota North Star days. John Casey, that's a goaltender. Shot. I got stopped by Casey. Gets it in deep. They're trying to apply a little bit more pressure of their own. There it is. Getting it deep. Woohoo! And they get it on the ice with the race foot. I gotta say, for a big guy, that 31 can really skate. There he is. I don't know his name though. Keep it in, they keep it in, they keep it in. There's 87. Crosby wannabe. At the blue line. Now, out of nowhere, the Ice Hawks are putting on some good pressure. I think they got their second win. There he goes. I think that's Gavin. I think the Capitals better remember that they're not leading. It is just a tie game, so they need to keep the pressure on. This is like a long distance race. When are you gonna save your stride for the last stretch? Oh, here we go, we got a race. Oh, baby. These guys being It's been a while since we've seen hockey like this in northwestern Ontario. Oh, they're coming back again. He's gonna swallow that one up. John Casey. The second period is over. Over like your last marriage. They're going to give them a couple minute rest. They give them the last stretch. I think I'm going to sit down and rest my back. You gotta remember, I'm talking to the audience, I'm not talking to you guys. See, I'm not talking to you guys, I'm talking to the audience. The YouTube audience. If I have any audience.
I'll see it a few years later.
25, I'm a winner. Here we go, third period action. Semi-final game, 1-1, Team Slate Falls versus Ginoogaming Ice Hawks. We got a mixed batch of fans sitting here, and they're all having their own point of view on this game. There it is, going wide. Shot, a good stop by the netminder. Oh, there's that chick again, Robbie Martin. Do you have anything to say, man?
Parents probably
just
sent
talk
me
around
from
anybody.
over there with nobody's tent.
I don't know if anybody wants this game to go into overtime more than the fans, but both teams do not want that to happen because they know about overtime goals. There it is. A shot on the netminder. Gets it back to the front. Oh, baby, they're prowling around that area. I do not want to be a biased commentator like that guy from Boston Bruins. I forget his name. I will keep this equal. Game is getting deadly as the seconds go down. Oh, they're both tossing up the puck. And there's Royce. He gets a little bit of manhandle right in the middle of the ice. Oh, baby. Shot on net. A good stop by the netminder. John Casey. Oh, here's a look at the Team Slate Falls bench. I heard you're all cousins on that team. Sidney Crosby. Teasing him like a... Oh, there they go. A defensive zone face-off for the Ice Hawks. And Blake Falls takes a little bit of advantage of it. My hands are getting cold. What happened to this heater? Do you guys feel heat over there? No? These refs are on top of the game. There they go, another defensive zone face-off for the Ice Hawks. Slate Falls has been winning the majority of the face-offs, 65% today. There they go, they're getting deep. They're looking for the go-ahead goal. Oh, there it is. Is he going to shoot out the net? That was a stiff pass. He pushes them in the back of the head. Oh my goodness.
I scared there.
They're going to just let them play, I do believe. There it is. Oh my, I don't know how that did not go into the net. Or did it? I don't even know if they scored. I think we're going to have to go back to the camera on that one.
Come on, Tourney.
There's just going face off for the Cats. They're winning. Shot. I just stopped by the tender for so close. They got me in the corner. They're trying to put a little pressure here just to get a different look at things on this game. There it is. He's gone. A little bit deep. Oh, they got it on the outside there. They turned this into a little bit of hope. Missed pass out of the game. Oh, there they go. Shoot! There's a shot. That one was kicked out again. Another shot. I think they better think of going east, south, rather than northwest. I mean, northwest. In back of that. This is a terrible, terrible game. And when I say terrible, I mean deadly. Here we go. These guys are really showing a little bit of fun. Oh, no, and there he is. My cousin. Oh, my goodness. They almost got him to get out there. Woo! As Ric Flair would say. This is an intense game coming down to the wire. 6 minutes left in the third period. Getting wild. Oh, there's Gavin again. A good move. Over. A shot. Oh, baby. You gotta count your blessings on that one, Team Slate Falls. That was a missed shot. To the front. That puck seems bouncy this morning. Deep. There's Gavin. Come on, Gavin. There it is. Oh. There's Jordan. Big Jordan. Icing. That ref didn't even have his hand up.
Yeah. Face up and down.
There it is. A shot. Oh, man. That was a bad trip. You see that? I think he hit his head. Oh my goodness. That was a bad penalty to take on Team Slate Falls part. Oh, they're putting two.
No, we only had one. Stupid.
Oh, they got an offsetting penalty.
Dumb penalty.
There it is. A break for Team Slate Falls. 4 minutes to go. Oh, there they go. Oh, baby. Go! There's a deadly goal. Slap my ass with a hot dog. Oh, it's a 2-1. Ice Hawks. Oh, deadly baby. Here we go. 3:51 left in the third period. We're going to see a lot of offense from Team Slate Falls now.
1, 2, 3.
What's the matter? What's the matter?
Oh. I better keep an eye on my camera. Here we go. Up a little bit. This guy's got some wheels. 89. Alexander Mogilny. Oh, it got enough balls to get to the line. There they go, getting deep, they're getting deep. Oh, a good stop by Olaf Jose. Go big. It's getting to the nitty-gritty. Minute 55 to go in the third period. And it hops over the stick. Oh, my goodness. There comes 89 again. He is determined. I think he's going to take the beat. Here we go, minute and a half to go, and it is in the stands. Everybody's worried about that goal. It didn't show up on the scoreboard. We got a minute 28 to go in the third period, and I think they take a timeout. Oh, baby. Yeah, stretch my sore back with a hacksaw. Oh, man. It has been a good game, a back and forth game. Good stops by the tenders. Good plays by the boys, a couple naughty plays, but hey, you gotta take the good with the bad. This telecast is brought to you by Trojan Condoms. Stay safe out there, people. Here we go. Could they seal this and get another goal? One more minute to go, Betty. There it is, 59 seconds left. Oh, they're falling all over. Uh-oh, there's Gavin. Oh no, Royce. Let's go! Slaps one in there, and this puts this baby to bed. Oh, nice try, Slade Falls. See you next year. is winding down the clock now. Down 4, 3, 2, 1. And Ginoogaming Ice Hawks are headed to the final. Oh, courtesy of Maxi Pads, our number one sponsors. If you want to feel fresh, use Maxi Pads. That is a good game, and look at the sportsmanship from Team Slate Falls. You gotta hand it to them. They played a hell of a game tonight. Oh, baby, we will see you guys championship game.